What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes.
You know the vibes. Sneaker Notes if we talking about kicks. You know the vibes.
I know it's been a while since my last post, but let's be honest. A lot of stuff been trash.
What are those?
Mama always told me, you ain't got nothing nice to say, then don't say nothing.
But you don't like my royal sandals. I wanted to go old school for my first day.
So I just haven't been posting. I mean, I brought a couple of kicks, but the last pair that I thought was worthy was the Flint 13s. And as I told y'all in previous videos, things are not going to sell out with this whole coronavirus thing going on. They're going to keep restocking until all the stores open live. Once all the stores open live, then if a sneaker say sold out, it's sold out. But today, we're going to talk about the latest Jordan to drop, the Jordan 5 Top 3. I got a lot of mixed emotions about this sneaker, and we're going to get into every mixed emotion I have about this sneaker. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Usually we in the Grail room. But these right here is already being shipped to StockX. The paper's here for StockX. Box is here. I'm gonna get rid of them. If you never ship to StockX, what you gotta do is you gotta print out the shipping label, put one paper in the box, the other paper on the box, ship it. They verify that the sneaker's real, authentic, not used, and then they send you your payout. Let's get into this review of the Jordan 5 Top 3. I tell you my dislikes, my likes. Not a bad shoe. I just feel like I don't need it. Before we get into the review, you already know we do here at Sneaker Notes. It's the What's on Foot segment. This is part of the section where you, the viewer, go down in that comment section below and let your boy know what you rocking on foot when you caught this video. I read the comments, guys. I'm not a machine. I told you I'll read the comments. So comment below. Let's talk. Let's have that barbershop talk. And I see that y'all always say that I am Nike biased. So today I got on some Adidas track pants, and I'm rocking my Yeezy dad shoe, the #1 dad shoe in the world, the Yeezy Wave Runners. And super comfortable shoe, basic but dope. I really like this shoe, man. I wish I could wear it more, but one of my favorite shoes in my collection. So today on foot, I got on the Yeezy Wave Runner. In that comment section below, let me know what you rocking on foot when you catch this video. And without further ado, hit the music. Unboxing time. Boom. So you got your regular Jordan 5 box. I mean, not too mad about that. You know, when the Top 3 gold toes came out, had the regular Jordan 1 box. The Top 3 Jordan 1s, you know, the Royal with the bread and the black toe and all that. Had the regular box, so that's not a knock. Flip it open. You got your classic black, tissue paper that's usually seen on the Jordan 5s and the Jordan 6s. And let's start with the left shoe. Now off the bat, you can't go wrong with an all-black nubuck Jordan, to me. And that's with the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9, the 10, etc., etc., etc. Everyone but the Jordan 1. When it's sporting an all-black nubuck, sneaker's dope already. And when you add the Nike in the back, that's the stamp. That's the stamp right there. That's a certified sneaker. That's what I love about the sneaker. What I don't like about the sneaker is that this purple tongue was not needed. I get if you don't add this purple tongue here, then it's not considered really a top 3. But who top 3 is it, if you ask me? Like, I know a lot of people like the Grapes or etc., the Fresh Princess. I get it. But instead of this tongue here, I would have liked to see this colorway. The Lanny 5. I felt like the sneaker would have been a little better if they added the blue and yellow tongue instead of going out the way to add the grape tongue, especially when in 2 weeks the grape suede purple joints are coming out. Tell me what y'all think. Would it have looked better with this blue and yellow tongue opposed to this purple and black tongue? Let me know in that comment section below. But back to the sneaker. All black suede nubuck, Nike on the back, as I told y'all. The red 23 on the side is also dope. The last time I think we seen these was the Supreme Jordan 5s. So that's super dope. I have no problem with the silver fighter jets. If you don't know where the silver fighter jets came from, they came from my favorite Jordan 5. Right there, the metallic black. So that's where your silver fighter jets came from. And I think they got it right with that one because these are definitely a top 3 Jordan 5. So yeah, you got your fighter jets there from the Jordan 5 metallic. Then you got your fire red strip going around. This is also considered the metallic 5. The only problem I have with this sneaker is this purple tongue, guys. That is the only part of the sneaker that really puzzles me. Now with both shoes in here, right here, let me tell you what else I feel like they could have did different. They could have made this more of a what the than the top 3, and they could have changed the tongue on at least one of the sneakers. Also, the branded ice that we see on every Jordan 5, I felt like one ice could have been black and then one ice could have been red. But they altered out to go both black. I mean, the sneaker's dope. Give me in that comment section below. Let me know if you cop. I mean, I don't see why you wouldn't cop, especially if you don't own an all black Jordan 5. But I have metallic 5s. I have off-white 5s. These are just not needed in my collection. It's no knock on the sneaker. That's why I'm doing a review. I kind of like it. I just feel like you got to go out your way to match with these sneakers. The purple tongue kind of threw it off. And I don't feel like the Great 5s is a lot of people's top 3. You got the fire reds, you got the metallics, you got the off-white ones that just came out, you got the Lannies, you got the cool grays. I just feel like the purple tongue wasn't needed. Maybe they threw the aqua in front of the purple. I mean, I don't know. It's a dope sneaker. Again, in that comment section below, if you cop, let me know how you feel about the sneaker for real. It's not an ugly shoe. I kind of dig it. It just wasn't needed in my collection, man. Again, man, I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. I'm sorry I took too long to come back to y'all. But again, like I said, a lot of trash been dropping.
Try them on.
Again, on foot today, I got on a Yeezy Power Phase. Again, on foot today, I got on the Yeezy Wave Runners. In that comment section below, let me know what you're rocking when you catch this video. I got a whole bunch of Travis Scott merch in the Grail Room. That'll be the next video. And maybe them Yeezy basketball sneakers. I'm kind of just curious about them. So subscribe, man, like, tell a friend to tell a friend. Thanks for watching, man. I appreciate every time y'all hit one of my videos. Everybody, get rich.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. notes if we talking about kicks.
You know the vibes.